At some point, a company has to decide whether they're going to be a leader or a follower. With the implementation of the Applied Academy, Applied has chosen to be a leader in the industry.
This doesn't exist anywhere in our industry today.
Being on the cutting edge, the leading edge of an industry is always the place you want to be whenever you're picking a company to work for.
The Applied Academy is essentially all things talent development at Applied. So it's the strategy behind how we're going to develop people, how we're going to bring them through their careers, and how we're going to ensure that they have the tools and technical and leadership and non-technical training to be successful in their job.
So Applied's on a path to becoming a critical asset management company. And to become a critical asset manager, it's not enough to simply supply parts and to take simple inquiries over the phone. We need to be able to manage everything from design and selection of systems and components right at the beginning of the life cycle of a component, right through to the procurement, the reliability enhancements, the repair, and the eventual scrapping of that asset. And even during that process, the monitoring of the health of that asset. Applied Academy will help us bring up the skill levels of our people to take that next step, to move beyond becoming an industrial distributor and into a critical asset management company.
Applied has some of the most brilliant technical people I've ever had the pleasure of working with. And that ability to pass on that knowledge and build that future generation is going to be critical to all components of the strategy.
We're not a young industry and we need to get there. But that knowledge is going to disappear soon, and we need to make sure that our people are educated, that they have that knowledge and experience. And personally, I think we owe it to our people to be able to give them that.
We have a significant amount of people in Canada retiring and exiting the workforce. And there's so much tacit knowledge that exists in the minds of people. And I think we've all been there where somebody retires and everyone panics because nobody downloaded what was in their head.
Applied Academy is going to allow us to reinvigorate that and bring that knowledge, that technical competency back into the industry and solve that gap that our end users are suffering.
So that's where the Academy is going to help us, is really understanding how we can capture that knowledge and build that in an accelerated fashion faster than we have in the past.
Our goal is to bring new recruits within 5 years up to the standard of what traditionally we'd see in 20.
We want to ensure that we have the best trainers out there, the best technical talent, the most robust strategies, and the most evolutionary program development to ensure that we are giving the right tools to our people so that they can expedite their career in whatever way that they want.
People entering the workforce today want to know what that career path looks like. That path is unclear, but with Applied Academy, we can say to potential employees that we've got a means to get them where they need to go on their career path by providing them the right training.
I think if you're a new recruit coming into an organization, you're looking for a company that's willing to invest in you, to help you become better and to become more, and to teach you how to do your job properly.
The more technical and capable our people are, the more value it brings to the organization and our suppliers and our customers. The more we meet our operational plans and the more we can reward people and they can have fulfilling careers with Applied. And so the Academy touches on everything because it builds careers, it attracts people to the organization, and it helps our ability to actually recruit people and ensure that they have a meaningful career and see that ability to develop and the ability to come to work every day and feel like they're making a difference to their customer. And that's what the Academy is going to do.